Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply borders to a page in Microsoft Word. Let's say this is my document right here and I want to apply borders to it around here. So what I just do is I come here and click on design. And then you're going to see this option right here that says page borders. So you have borders and shadings. I'm going to click here and we're going to see a bunch of options. You can choose the box one. It's going to create a box around your text. And you can change the colors actually, or the styles. If I want dash lines, I can do dash lines. But I'm just going to keep a solid line. I'm going to change the color to, let's say, where's pink? Okay, there's no pink. I'm going to choose purple. And the width, I'm going to make it a decently big size. I think 1.5, actually 2.25 is a good size. I'm going to do this. And then you can also change the art, different arts if you want to play around with this, but I'm not going to do that for now. And you can do there's actually a bunch of options. You can either do it only for this page or the first page only or everything else except the first page. But I'm just going to do it for the whole document just to show you. And here, all my documents have a page border, a purple page border. So yeah, you can make your thing look cool like that. I can actually let me play around with one of those arts. And here we go. We have a bunch of apples on every page. Yeah, guys, it's literally that simple, that easy. If this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe if you want.